Do you struggle to come up with new YouTube video ideas? You're not alone. Even seasoned YouTube creators hit that wall where you've made dozens of videos or are trying to start and suddenly your mind goes blank. I'm going to show you a free tool built right into YouTube Studio that helps you come up with new ideas, see what your audience is most interested in, and even plan your next video's hook, outline, title, and thumbnail. This free tool is called the Inspiration tab, and my audience actually voted for me to make this tutorial over on my community tab, so thanks everyone who voted. Now, at the time of this video, the Inspiration tab is only available on desktop. When it rolls out on mobile, I'll update you via the pinned comment and with a correction on screen. Let's jump in. From your YouTube Studio dashboard, click on the content on the left-hand menu. At the very top, you'll see the Inspiration tab. Let's click it. Once you're inside, you'll notice the whole layout is designed for brainstorming. Now, if you have enough channel data, there are related videos all tailored to your channel's audience and content history. You can see this by the Inspired by Your Channel here. Quick note that this does use AI, so the ideas aren't always perfect. Think of them as starting points that you can build off of. To the right of these ideas, you can see the Enter Your Topic box. You can pick one of YouTube's suggested ideas or type in your own topic. To get the best results, YouTube gives prompt examples, which I'll have on screen and in the video description. Let's try building something together. I'll type in Elgato wave panels. Then, I'll pick one of these options. Once I pick an idea, under the Develop My Idea section, I'll write, give this hook a sense of urgency. Here's the hook it gives me, and it's pretty good. Now, watch what happens when I change the prompt. As you can see, completely different results. Below that, you'll see your inspiration cards. Let's walk through them together. Hooks help you grab attention in the first few seconds. You might get a suggestion like, this simple change improved my audio. For this type of video, pair that with strong visuals and you've got an engaging start. Outlines are perfect for when you don't really know where to start. It gives you a bullet point plan that you can turn into a full script or just go off the top of your head. For example, if you're making a gear review, it might suggest introduction points, key features, pros and cons, and final recommendations. Moving on to thumbnails, this suggests design ideas to help your video stand out. You can then recreate them in your design tool of choice so they still match your brand and take inspiration from here. Now, title suggestions are based on trending and relevant videos. If it gives me, should you use Elgato wave panels, I might tweak it to be, Elgato wave panels, are they worth it? That more fits my tone and keeps it true to my channel. Then we have related videos, which shows topics your audience has been watching in the last 28 days, plus saved searches. This is great for spotting content gaps while interest is high. While we're here, there are a few more features that make this tool even better. Brainstorm from anywhere. You can use this feature in other parts of YouTube, as you can see on screen, places like analytics, audience comments, or even the YouTube Trends tab. Then we have audience interest level, which show very low to very high. YouTube says this is based on videos your audience has watched over 1,000 times per week in the last 28 days. When it comes to this data, I tend to look for medium to very high interest. Speaking of audience interest, would you like to see a video on the free YouTube Trends tab feature? Let me know in those comments down below. Let's say I've made some changes, but I'm not liking the idea anymore. That's where the undo and redo buttons come in. This lets you flip between ideas until one feels right. Speaking of ideas that feel right, Save Ideas is my personal favorite. I've saved ideas here that I didn't have time to film right away and later turned them into videos that actually performed really well. Next to that, you can click on these three dots to send feedback to YouTube to tell them if an idea was helpful or if something's wrong. Let's rewind to when I planned the video you're watching right now. I open the Inspiration tab and type in YouTube tools for coming up with ideas. I use the prompts, begin with relatable problems and solution, and the hook it gave me almost exactly matches how I started this video, pointing out that every creator gets stuck for ideas sometimes. From there, it suggested a title about using YouTube features to get ideas fast. I tweaked it to focus on the Inspiration tab. Then, I pulled a few points from the hooks and the outline cards and built the structure you're seeing now. And while the tool gave me a solid starting point, I still added my own twist, shaping it to match my style and focusing on what my audience voted for in the community tab. This is not just letting AI do all the work. It's me using the tool as a springboard for something personal and relevant that will help my audience. Now, it's your turn. Open up the Inspiration tab, explore some ideas, try a prompt, and see what ideas you get. Save at least one and then comment down below with the best suggestion it gave you. If you need help, I'll be in the comments helping you with any question you might have. If you found this video helpful, then you should check out that video on screen that helps you better understand YouTube. As always, I'm Andrew Can, and if I can use the Inspiration tab to come up with ideas, then you can too.